I really liked, I guess something that I learned was the importance of, I guess, starting with the formal tone and then being able to adapt after that. I'd always been told in MCOM to just start with the audience in mind, start with that. But I thought that was a good tool. Just like if you don't know your audience that well at first, have it a little more formal, and then as they respond, then you can adjust according to that.
Besides, like it kind of like made me remember to focus on specific things, I guess. Like the one thing that stuck out to me the most is like in order to communicate effectively in the business environment, you have to understand like your the audience and purpose were those two things that really stuck out to me. It's um like that's the first thing you should think about when preparing any sort of like report or writing an email or a memo or whatever it is understand, okay, like what's the purpose of this? Like who's my audience? It's like therefore how can I write this so that would be most effective to accomplish this purpose, I guess.